Have you ever wondered why your body sneezes so suddenly?
Sneezing is your body's way of getting rid of tiny invaders. When dust or germs sneak in, special nerves send a quick signal. Your amazing brain instantly tells your chest and throat muscles to react. The resulting clears